What's going on, YouTube? How's all the beautiful people? Looky here. We have a new Holland Agriculture 6500 watt generator. I'm not sure what's going on with the gangster lane, but okay. Supposedly they ran it low on oil, but you would have thought it would have shut off, but it's locked up. It will not turn, but just go the other direction. It'll go almost all the way around and it locks up again. So I suspect we have a stuck valve. So let me get you guys set up and we will pull the valve cover and see what we find. Alright, I don't have the tripod just yet, but let's just see what. See what we get here. If I can do it without making a huge ass mess. All right, no mess at all. That's all fair. Okay, now I want you guys to watch that. Yeah, I don't know if you guys can see or not. I'm gonna go the other way with it. Oh, I don't believe it's a stuck valve. I think I could probably the exhaust valve ain't moving very much, so it may be that one. I'll have to look and see if maybe, hang on. Let me get a flashlight. Alright, I was a little lazy, didn't care to get the tripods, but I did some digging around, some poking, prodding, and flashlighting, and then spraying some motor coat, and this, that, and the other. And looky here. What do you say? I've already checked the oil, it's full. What do you say we? Well, hell, it's got an electric start. I think the battery's good. Let's just see if we can. What do you say we put it back together and see if she'll fire up, huh? Sounds like a plan. Alright, I'll bring you back. Alrighty, I got the valve cover back on. I got the spark plug installed. I pulled the drain on the bowl to see what was in it. It smells to be fresh gas, no debris. So let me just pull the choke and let's see what it does. Fuel's already on. don't know about you guys, but I'd say crisis averted. Thank God whatever happened, happened, or they would have burned it up, huh? So, well, all I got left is put that on, and I'm gonna figure out what's going on with the kickstand in the front. But I'll wrap this one up, ladies and gentlemen. Thanks for joining in, like and sub, and we'll catch you on the next one.